Thank you so much for joining me on a frosty, clear blue sky day. It's gorgeous. Everywhere touched by Jack Frost. Okay, that's sexist. It's what I've always called it, so bear with. It looks glorious. And I've got plenty of layers on, so my nose, my ears and my fingers are the only bits that feel cold. Reminds me of Christmases past, when it always seemed to be weather like this. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. In fact, I'm going to go back to this gate and lean on here for a while, looking at the whiteness, so that I'm not bothered about tripping. It looks gorgeous. Even the individual branches, the twigs, with the frost all along. So delicate, so pretty. And the ivy, just the edges of the leaves outlined. And unless you actually stop and look, if you're striding out to keep warm, you miss those details. And here, the rose hips, some that the birds have missed, so hopefully they will find them in this weather, and I'm sure be very grateful for them. The nettles, their veins are emphasized because they are protected, so they stand out as being frost free. But the edges of the leaves, again, etched in white, as is the grass. I will go back to the lane. There we are, in one piece, because there's some icy puddles here, and I tried to scrunch one a couple of days ago and the ice was too hard to do it. And it looks as if I'm out of luck here. I think a tractor's been along and done the job for me, but maybe there's a bit of crunch left. Right, I've got to try it. Yes. Inner child satisfied. I will go on. But it's a very busy time for so many of us. Buying presents, wrapping presents, buying food, preparing food. And that many of us forget the true spirit of Christmas. Okay, yes, by this I guess I include the religious part, but I mean the spirit of caring, the spirit of giving, just as I'm giving more to my inner child by crunching a bit more. I was never able to resist that. And at a time like this, there are so many who struggle. I remember one year being told about a family that I know very well, who they'd got mountains of presents for their little girl, already wrapped hidden. But on Christmas Eve, Mum bought so many more presents that she had to get a taxi to take her home because she couldn't carry them all. That's not a true Christmas to me. Am I just getting an old Scrooge? Maybe. But you know, I don't care. I am what I am, and I can't undo that. And I know that come next week when I go to get my Christmas food shop, there will be people with trolleys heaving so much bread, milk, goodies. Half of me envies them that they're going to need so much, so they must be having a lot of people joining them. And the other half thinks, do you really need all that? The supermarket's back open tomorrow. Scrooge again. So on that note, and looking up to see the moon still in the sky, I'm going to say cheerio for now, because I need to blow my nose. I'm getting ever so sniffy. Take care. Keep warm. Keep safe. And be kind to yourself. Bye for now.